Turning dark mode in Snapchat is a tricky thing, and most of the users didn't know how to turn on dark mode in Snapchat. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how can you turn on dark mode in Snapchat using Snapchat settings. When you open Instagram and turn off dark mode of your phone, Insta also turn into light mode. But in case of Snapchat, it didn't happen even after turning dark mode on and off. So how can you turn on dark mode on Snapchat? First, go to Account at the left upper corner. Then go to Settings at the right. Here, scroll down and tap on App Appearance. Now you can see different options: always light, always dark, match system. You can select any of them on your device. But as we are going, you turn dark mode. So select always dark option. And now your Snapchat is in dark mode. This match system option means changing Snapchat appearance according to dark and light mode of iPhone. So by this way, you can easily turn on dark mode in Snapchat. That's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.